music is addressed to my people, especially to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
Hey guys, okay, so it has actually been 2 weeks and 1 day since I put my peaches in some water and in soil. So we are going to see how the root production looks after 2 weeks. Majority of them, I believe, have some form of a root. Originally in this one, I put 2 pieces, but the actual leaves died on the other one. So what I did was I cut the stem into 2 pieces and I added it to here. But as far as this one goes, I'm actually going to take this off right now because it is dying. But we have actually 2. I can see like a baby one right here. Oh look, one right here, and one over here. So that's 3 roots that I can see that are forming. So that's going to go in the soil as soon as enough production happens. But 2 weeks and 1 day, so we're going to say 2 weeks, roots started forming. Just be consistent with your water changes. I changed it I've changed it twice, so once a week. Some people say more, some people say less. If you forget, it's okay, but I did mine once a week to stay consistent. You can see the evaporation line on there, so that also gave me a good guide as to when I would want to start, or when I would want to change the water. So this is the other one. This one had the most leaves. A few of the leaves died on this also, so I just removed them. But this one is showing out for the people. Look at that. I see 3 roots at the bottom, and then I see 1 starting here. Okay, showing out for the people. 3 whole roots and a new leaf. There's a new leaf coming on this one also, but this has a new leaf on it, so it is doing very well. This is the one that I put into just the regular the regular glass in my house. I had these pretty much in a formation. So this one, and this one, I believe, are the older ones. This one and this one are the new ones that are just put in the soil because they came from the water. Now, here's one thing. I put them in the greenhouse, but I did not put them under the grow light until maybe a few days ago, because I didn't know if it needed the light from the greenhouse or not. But my greenhouse stays around 70 degrees. The humidity level stays somewhere between 60 and 80. But I'm going to show you guys. Actually, I put these in, the 2 new ones I put into the soil, I want to say like 3 days ago. As of right now, there's nothing forming. There's understandably so. So here is the other one. Oh, sorry, this is an old one. That one's been there. This is the other one, and it doesn't really have any roots yet, but that's okay. That's one of the new ones that just reached the soil. This is one that has been in there for quite a while. I'm going to clean it off just a little bit. Okay, so you can't really see any roots, but right here, one is starting to grow. So that will be a root coming out of there soon. This one, okay, so you can't see them, but there's a notch right here for a root starting, and there's 3 notches right here next to each other for roots that are starting to grow. So this one will have its roots soon. Make sure that I get it deep enough, and I wanted to make sure that I got them deep so that the notches can actually get to the soil and produce the roots. Now, this one is the only one that has been in the soil, and it has a root. And ironically enough, the root isn't lower to the bottom. They have a notch here where one is starting. One is starting right here, if you can see it poking out just a little bit. But you see that right there? That's a whole root. That is a root. So very soon. Oh no, I don't think this is a root. I think this is my new leaf that will be coming out. That is my leaf. Okay, so soon and very soon I will have roots on that and a new leaf that is forming, and I'm going to up the water intake on that, and that's it. So thanks for coming. Make sure that you hit me on the social media, all of my social media, so that I can see what you guys are planting or doing. Hashtag the Road Gardener or hashtag Road Gardener, either one of those. So let me know. I will be posting updates on these little guys. And that's it. Bye. Love ya. Bye, cousins. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us, because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.